Once we have made the openings with the two cylinders, we are going to create the hole that will be the opening and connecting hatches between the floors. Specifically, to simplify, we are going to hide the two floors and to work exclusively between the stringer and the dome, which are the two ends that need to be connected. We position ourselves in the top view of the Z-axis, select the string course, enter in edit mode with the tab and select only the face above. Let's go back to the face mode. With the Inset tool, shortcut I, we can cut our plane following the shape given by the cylinder created for the openings. And as we can see above, the depth of this inset corresponds roughly to the 0.86. So let's go for an inset of 0.86. In wireframe mode, it will correspond to the width of the cylinder. Now we place ourselves in solid mode on the other side of the cylinder. We do the same thing. With I, 0.86, we see how we generate the central hole that corresponds to the diameter, same as the one created in the face above. Having done that, we will do the same thing for the dome. Selected it, we go into edit mode and clicking on a face with command, multiple faces in the smallest circle of the dome will be selected. Let's create now an inset in wireframe mode from above that will overlay the insets in the faces of the string course. Having done that, we will join the string course and the dome. Now we have created a single object with the Ctrl J. So now we have created a single object with the same profile from which we are going to create a single hole. Momentarily, string course 2 has disappeared, but has joined to sphere 001, so the dome contains also the string course. Now we hide momentarily the cylinder, enter edit mode and delete the faces that we no longer need with X. With Command we select all the faces and delete them. Now we have three planes which we have to join. In edge mode we click an edge and with option all the edges of the circumference will be selected. With shift we select all the edges of the circumference of the dome. Right-click Bridge Edge Loops. The internal faces have created the opening that joins string course and dome. If we visualize the inner cylinder, we realize that there is an overlap of faces that we don't need. So we will go to the string course, select the underlying faces with option, and go into the wireframe mode. With inset face, we create a face that goes all the way to the other cylinder. Again, press I. And let's do this once more. In the semi-transparent mode, we select one edge and with option select them all. In the front view, we extrude along the z-axis, helping ourselves with the snap at the vertices and creating the outer wall. Equally, we do so for the inner wall, so E, Z, along the z-axis. Now we have created one whole object that encloses the walls, the dome, and the string course.